Which of the following is true about European chroniclers? The second paragraph has a reference to European chroniclers, and it says that in the writings of these chroniclers, the Vikings were shown to be illiterate and ignorant barbarians. This is the only reference to European chroniclers, so we need an answer choice that indicates that the Vikings were illiterate and ignorant barbarians. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, they despised the Vikings. The passage makes no suggestion regarding how the European chroniclers felt. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B, the chroniclers believed that the Vikings were uneducated and savage. Yes, the second paragraph mentions that in the writings of the European chroniclers, the Vikings are depicted to be illiterate and ignorant, which accounts for uneducated, and the passage also indicates that the chroniclers depicted the Vikings as barbarians, which relates to savage. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice C, they criticize the Vikings for giving women the right to divorce. The right to divorce is discussed in the third paragraph, and it is not in the context of the European chroniclers. Also, the mention of European chroniclers in the second paragraph doesn't provide any information to believe that they criticize the Vikings for this aspect. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, the chroniclers disputed the popular interpretations of the runestone writings. The passage indicates that the chroniclers believed that the Vikings were illiterate, whereas runestone writings would indicate that the Vikings were not illiterate. So it is not possible that the chroniclers dispute the interpretations of the writings. Also, in the context of the mention of European chroniclers, the passage makes no such suggestion. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, the chroniclers documented that the Vikings had detailed knowledge of the Atlantic coast. In the context of the mention of the chroniclers, the passage makes no such suggestion. So this answer choice can be eliminated. B is the correct answer.